Hi, I'm Dr. Vera Salvatore at Salvatore Dental, and I have many patients that ask me questions about veneers. What are they? So I'm going to take the time today to go over some of these questions and answers and give you a better understanding. So what are dental veneers? Dental veneers, think of it as a porcelain shell. It is a shell that covers the teeth, so it can hide any imperfections, any spaces if the teeth are chipped or crooked, also any discolorations. It can make your smile really beautiful. Some patients ask me, when is a good time for me to get veneers? And the answer really is, if you're looking for cosmetic enhancement to improve your confidence, to smile bigger in pictures and family photos, it's the time. Dental veneers, they only make things better, boost your confidence. They make things even more aesthetic. Patients ask me, should I get a crown or should I get a veneer? What is the difference between a veneer and a crown? The biggest difference is that veneers, we don't have to remove a lot of tooth structure. We can stay very conservative. In fact, think in millimeters. 0.5 millimeter is how much we would need to remove of your natural tooth in order to make the veneer fit nicely in your mouth. With a crown, it is circumferential, so we would have to remove some more of your tooth structure. So my choice is always to remove less and have more of your natural tooth, and thus give you a better smile for a long period of time. Patients ask, well, how long is this process for me to get my veneers? The process takes 2 appointments. So the first appointment, you're going to come in, we're going to shape your teeth nicely, take lots of photos with you, discuss shape and shade and what your vision is for the final outcome. And you're going to leave that day with beautiful temporary veneers. For your second visit, we're going to remove your temporary veneers and bond the final porcelain shells. It is one of a patient's main concerns to know whether the veneers will match their natural tooth color. Everybody's different. Some patients come in and they say, I want the whitest white smile ever. Hollywood, that's what I want. And we can make it happen. Some patients say, nope, I want natural. I want things to look beautiful, and we can make that happen. So it's a very personal decision, but we can certainly work with you and decide together what works best for you. Some patients ask, we heard there are 2 different types of veneers, porcelain and composite veneers. What are the differences? The main difference, porcelain veneers are more durable and they last longer. Composite veneers are not as durable and don't last as long because they may chip and they may stain. So for patients that are, let's say, heavy coffee drinkers or enjoy red wine, I wouldn't recommend composite veneers because they're going to have to be replaced in a matter of 5, 6 to 8 years. Somebody who's looking for a more of a long-lasting smile, I would recommend porcelain. Porcelain veneers do not stain with red wine or coffee. They don't chip. They last longer, and they can provide a much better aesthetic result. Well, if I get the veneers, how do I take care of them? I want them to last a long time. Well, for somebody who has veneers herself, all of my teeth are veneered. Answer is easy. You just have to brush twice a day. You have to floss. You have to rinse. You have to get your regular checkups. If you do all those things, your veneers will be there for you for a long time, and you will have a nice, beautiful smile. Well, how much are these things? How much do veneers cost? Veneers are an expensive procedure and can range anywhere from $900 all the way up to $2,000 per tooth. Everything depends on the patient, how they present clinically, what's possible to do, and also what the patient desires. Luckily, we do free veneer consultations. We can discuss all those factors with you, and then you can make that financial decision as well. One of the most common questions about dental veneers are if there are financing options available. And yes, there are. Fortunately, we work with about 7 different financing companies, and we can make the financing plan as suitable to your needs as possible, where the finances can be broken down into monthly installments. Does insurance cover the cost of veneers? Unfortunately, they do not. It is considered a cosmetic procedure, and very rare do we see that the insurance benefits will cover any portion of the veneers. To schedule a veneer appointment is very easy. All you have to do is call our office at 518-899-6068. And you can ask one of our friendly girls that you would like to come in for a free consultation. They'll get you right in. We'll discuss your needs and wants and see what's possible for you to enhance your smile. Well, I hope this was helpful to you guys in answering some of the most common questions that we hear about dental veneers. And if you wish to come in and schedule consultation, please give us a call at 518-899-6068. And we're here for you. We're here to help.